My name is Shane Titus. I'm the fisheries manager for the Seneca Nation. I manage the walleye hatchery for here on the Seneca Nation territories, as well as our fisheries habitat programs, as well as being involved with our aquatic research. Today we taught a class on Fishing 101. Fishing's been my forte for many years. Been doing that for 45 plus years, both here and other places I've lived across the nation. So we're teaching some community members the basics of fishing, how to choose a fishing reel, a fishing rod, what fishing line to use, what's the difference between fishing lines, and how to tie knots, things of that nature. So the novice can go into a grocery store, or at least here in town, a grocery store, where you can go into a sports store and buy a fishing rod and fishing reel and know what you're looking at, know what you're searching for. Next week is going to be more of a to the plate class, where we're going to be in here showing individuals how to fillet walleye, or any fish for that matter. The process is pretty much the same for freshwater fish, and we're going to have an individual in here showing individuals how to cook them walleye. So there's going to be a class on both cleaning fish and how to prep and cook your fish. And then the following week we're going to have more or less the Fishing 202. That's going to involve just a little more in depth of what we covered today. We're going to teach some different knots on how to tie leaders, braid to fluorocarbon leaders. We're going to talk a little more about fish and species, and know your species, know their habits and habitats. All leading up to the Pull to Plate Derby that we have coming up on May 11th, which is going to be the community going down to the river. We're going to be trying to catch white bass and harvest some white bass so that we can provide some sustenance for our elders and community members. So it's open to the public, the general public. As I said, May 11th, we're meeting here at the ACC, and then we'll be traveling down to the riverbanks to start our fishing expedition. If you're from outside of the area, please ensure you have your Seneca Nation fishing license. Community members within Seneca Nation, enrolled members don't require a fishing license.